This is our lab 6.10.6, our challenge lab, deliver presentations. All right, in this one, we are printing a single copy. So we're going to go to print, and we want slides 1 through 4. We're going to select 1 through 4, and we want it to be full page slide format. Task 9, it says start slideshow from the second slide. So I'm going to click on here, and then we can actually start the slideshow from there. Use the zoom option to enlarge the small image of the Tocqueville in the upper right corner of the slide. We're going to click on the little zoom area on the bottom right, and we can actually click on that and resize. Oh, and I think because I went to the wrong slide. Let's try that again. We'll click on the little zoom. We'll zoom in on him and then zoom back out. Let's try to reset it. All right, we're going to start from our second slide. I'm going to click here to start the slideshow. I'm going to use my little zoom to enlarge the small image here. And then we can zoom out. Or if you're going to do this in order to get it to move to the next one, change it to presenter view, and then use your little magnifying guy for him. That'll move you forward. Task 8. On slide 2, remove the text in the speaker notes. So right here is slide 2. We need to go to our speaker notes. Let's see if I can bring this up. There's our notes. I'm going to delete that. On slide 3, we're going to use the right-click menu to ignore suggestions for the 3 French words. So we're going to right-click and we're going to ignore, and ignore. Use the right-click menu to accept the first suggestion for the misspelled citizens. Select yes. Task 6 has us printing 10 copies. So I'm going to go File, Print. We want handouts, so we're going to select this, and we're going to select 6 slides per page. And horizontal sequence. So I'm going to select print. All right, let's try that again. It did not like the option I chose. So, I didn't change it to 10 copies. 10 copies. We're doing 6 horizontal and select print. Task 5 has us print 2 uncollated copies of the notes page. So we're going to come in here. We want notes page, and we want them to be uncollated. And I'm selecting 2. Task 4 has us go into slide 5. On slide 5, the third item of the list, open the thesaurus and use the right-click menu to search for a synonym for denounced. So this thesaurus, you could do Shift F7. Oops. It doesn't like me to do Shift F7. So the other option is going to be right-click and find a synonym. I'm going to say censured. And then select and insert the synonym. Oh, let me reset that. It does not like the one I chose. So we're going to put condemned in instead. So slide 5, go to denounced, Right click, synonym, and it wants us to put in condemned. Task 3, start the slideshow from the beginning. So I'm going to click on my little slideshow button down here, switch to the presenter view. Oops, I'll go back one. Switch to the presenter view and use the CL slides. And then advance to the 5th slide. Task 2 has us modifying the date format for the notes and handouts to include the day of the week. Example, Monday or Tuesday, and update automatically. So this is our insert. This is where we go to our header and footer. We want in the footer, we want date and time, update automatically, and we want it to be in our notes and our handouts. So we're going to put that like that, date and time, update automatically, and apply to all. Oh, and we also want to make sure, I skipped part of it, for our notes and handouts, in the footer we want it to say Democracy in America. Apply to all. Make sure that you change this so that it includes the day of the week as well. And then last task, start the slideshow from the beginning. Navigate through all 6 slides in the default presentation. Click one more time to exit the slideshow. That's it.